Good morning. I'm folding up the bike. I'm going to put it in here and head it off to Overland Expo 2026. This is actually a really cool view when you're driving out of here. It's got the four peaks over there. Gonna make a little detour. I forgot my lock for the bike, and the lock that I had on there was just a piece of crap lock. So I'm gonna go into Big 5 right here and get a new lock for the e-bike. Ballistic 500. It's just an old e-bike. Doesn't need to be super crazy. Maybe just a new combo lock. Okay, I think I'm going with this one here. All right, I got the lock. I'm just gonna park along the highway here and actually just ride the e-bike down. It'll be a piece of cake. I'm gonna park right here.
do it right. Overland 2026, baby.
Nice.
Overland Expo 26. Inflatable seating.
So we got 25% off retail price of all the major systems, class.
We have
Angela.
and Nick, and this is their beautiful Toyota Mirage. What are you guys' future plans for the rig?
So it's always going to be like everything, a constant project. But the goal right now is to kind of use it, see what we like, see what we don't like, and kind of go from there. The suspension we kind of got dialed in, so it's just working on the inside, making sure it continually gets more comfortable.
Oh yeah.
Part-time, so we have some trips planned in July. We're going to be Tetons and up into Canada so far. We got it finished in February, and we did King of the Hammers. Then we went back and did a climbing trip in Joshua Tree. We did the Redwoods from San Francisco up into Oregon, and we've done a bunch of local, just weekend trips around the area in Arizona.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, you guys have an awesome rig here.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Its main purpose is really a crag vehicle.
Yeah.
Go to a climbing spot, climb, and have a place to be.
This Toyota Mirage, I am 6'1", and I kind of have to crouch a little bit, but this rig is just amazing. It's set up perfect. It has enough room to cook in here. You're comfortable. It's got a sleeping area above the cab. This is a true gem of a rig. You can follow Angela and Nick's adventures at The Off-Road Edit on Instagram. This was another awesome rig. I wish I had caught more video of it, and I kind of missed out on the interview inside. These were great people, and they had great travel stories.
The body's been rebuilt a couple of times,
Uh-huh.
but it's pretty sound now.
I love the curtains in the back.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, where'd you get that material?
I got it at Hobby Lobby.
Wow. There you go. Top secret. And this is a crawl through space to
That's
go
a
in?
crawl through.
Nice.
And my refrigerator
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
is,
Oh, very cool.
and we have an ARB right here.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it
So
slides
I pull
out.
this all the way out,
Okay.
and then I still have a workspace while I'm using the fridge.
Good job. That's a beautiful... One after another, there was great rigs all day long. These Toyota Chinook rigs are really my favorite style Overlander. Don't get me wrong, I would take this thing here in a heartbeat, but it's a little out of my price range. These things are just absolute beasts. All right, that was a awesome show. So much stuff. It's amazing. How you doing? Good, how are you? All right. It's fun to look at all the other rigs, but I'm actually really happy with my school bus, and the Jeep adds the overland factor to it. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe right over here. I drop new videos every Sunday, so please follow along and have a great day.